Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 8. If we start with the square, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. Got a 1 here, so 3, 8. 3 and 8 here, so that means this is our 1. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row now we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this column now we're missing 4 and 9. I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this top row we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 9. No help here, 5, 8, 9. And no help here, 5, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 5, 8. 2 and 5 here, so that makes this our 8, 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so 1, 4. Same here, 3 and 7, so 1, 4. 1 here, so 3, 4, 7. 3 here, 1 here, so 4, 7. So if we look, the only place in that box our 3 can be is here. The only place our 7 can be is here. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6. I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got the 1 here. So 4, 9. 4 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, 8, 9. We've got the 7 and 8 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, 8 here, so 7, 9. 4 here, so 7, 8, 9. 7 here, so 4, 8, 9. We look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 4, 6, 9. 6 here, 9 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. Got a 2 here, so 3, 7. 3 and 7 here, so that means this is our 2. 3 here, so 7, 3. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, 8, 9. Got the 5 here, so 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, and 9 here, so that makes this our 5. And then we can get rid of this 5 here. And now that means the only place our 5 can be in this top row is here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, 8, 9. Got 5 here, 7 here, so 8, 9. 7 here, so 5, 8, 9. So if we look, the only place the 5 can be in this box is here, and the only place the 7 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. So 6 here. So 4, 8, 9. Same here. 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2, 3, and 4 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 2, 4. But this 1 makes this our 4, that makes this our 2, 3. Now we just need to look for some cleanup here. If we look here, this is a, no. This 1 makes this our 9, 7, 4. That 9 makes this our 1, 4. Wait, that can't be right. This has to be our 4, our 1. So with that 4, we can get rid of this 4. Let's see. This 9 means this is our 6, 9. And that 9 makes this our 8, 9, 8, 9, 8. This 8, we can get rid of this 8. We've got 4 and 9 here now, so that makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. All right, we made it. Got a little bit messy there for a minute. Well, that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.